I've won $25,000 in grant funding for my own projects, and I've helped raise hundreds of thousands of dollars for nonprofit organizations. I want to help you gain the skills to do the same. If you're an artist or a musician, you know the struggle. You know how tough it is to fund your work. Labels, so far as they even exist these days, take a cut. Crowdfunding is very hit and miss, especially if you don't already have a huge fan base. And if you don't have a trust fund, then self-financing can really put you into debt. But grants, that's basically free money to support your art, what you'll learn. This course will walk you through how to find grants to apply for, how to write strong applications, and how to actually win grant funding, with a specific focus on finding grants for musicians and artists. And because it's designed by a trained educator and successful grant writer who happens to be a musician myself, it's structured to be clear, practical, and easy to follow so you can apply what you learn right away.